the cone of Shroud. It is hot. Amanda just learned ollies. Good morning, friends of the vlog. We are in the van this weekend. We are in Carolina Beach and we are at the skate park. Today's vlog is going to be epic. We are going to be skating a couple different parks here in Wilmington. We are stoked. It's going to be a hot one, but we want to shroud, yo. Alright, how do we prepare for a skate sesh? What have we done so far?
Ate breakfast, had coffee, surfed, drank water.
Show us the tat, how's it healing up?
It's got sunscreen on it right now, so it looks kind of blue.
Looks so good. Something super sick about van life at the skate park, you have unlimited amounts of water bottle refills. Oh, it's alright.
It's gotten a little floppy.
It is tricky. The cone of Shroud. It is hot.
That's an understatement.
Yeah. We're nailing tricks.
It's hot.
It is just hot.
It's so hot.
This is CB Skate Park. Skated this park since I was about 7 years old. Whew. What next?
I don't know, I'm hot.
Yeah.
I need to get in some water. It would feel really good to get in the ocean right now.
On to the next thing, you guys.
Gotta have the whole quiver.
You did some damage out there. Tell us about it.
Well, I dropped in on the big bank, which I've done before, but it's been a long time, and didn't really drop in on it, I just rolled down it. And then I did the rock to fakie that I can do with no coping, but not with coping. But it felt pretty good. And then I did the ollie with the other skateboard in my hand.
Do I look hot? I feel hot as. As I'm sure you guys have noticed, I still have lots of hair. Please leave a comment down below what you think I should do with it, because it's a lot of weight for my neck and I'm pretty sick and tired of it. So yeah, we went for a nice swim, cooled off. Now we're gonna make some tacos before the second skate sesh, so the dream song. Do it. Undies! Undies, dude, my undies. Why do they have my undies? Wow. Wow. The shroud juice.
On her tip.
Oh yeah? Shroud juice. Crucial for sesh number 2. Thanks, BG.
I really should chug the rest of my water before I drink any coffee. So.
Oh yeah.
Bottoms up.
That's good. Oh, that's really good. When it's just so hot out, dude. Get that soy milk, dude.
You ever like
That's good.
chug for so long that you feel like you might drown?
Yes.
Okay. Let's do it.
All right, Amanda just learned ollies. So we're about to get a sick view of this fresh ollie. Oh! Look at this skater. Yes, and it needs our trash in it. Woo! Heavy skate sesh. Hot. What you got?
We should have been leaving these everywhere we went through. 18-year-old frog.
This totally makes sense. Dang. Peace out, skater.
Did you hear the fan squeak?
Yes. We are at a new spot here under the bridge. It's pretty sick. I don't know why we never came here. I came here on my motorcycle the other day and kind of rediscovered this spot. Last time I was here was a long time ago. My car window got busted out by a homeless person or something. Well, I'm not gonna say a homeless person. My car window, did it stop? My car window and stole my jar of change. So that was like the only experience that I've really had with this side of the bridge. We're gonna hang out here, cook shrimp and grits, cheesy vegan shrimp and grits. Wait, vegan? No, there's shrimp in it.
It's dairy free.
Dairy free shrimp and grits, dude.
The grits are vegan.
Hella vegan butter and cheese. So we're gonna hang out at this spot. I'm gonna do some editing and then we're gonna drive across the street and park under the bridge in front of our house. There's renters in our house. Hopefully they don't see us, but we know that we can park there overnight, so. Stoked on this spot. Wow. Heavy shrimp and grits dinner. Wow. Wow.
I have to pee. Do you think anyone can see me from there?
There's a squad over there, dude. Up in the sea.